Hi everyone, a very good morning. This is Dr. Anamta Rizvi, your UGC Net English Literature Educator at Study IQ. Today we are going to discuss some very important aspect because yesterday finally हमारा एग्जाम हो गया 7 January 2025 का जो अटेम्प्ट था that's over. Today is 8 January and आज से हम लोग kick start preparation करेंगे for our upcoming net June attempt, right? So this video is for all those students who are planning to go ahead with the exam and why not to begin from the very first day, right? So आज हम लोग इसके बारे में बात करेंगे कैसे हम लोग strategy बनाएं. It's a very fundamental video जहाँ पे you will get a clear idea that how to approach a national level exam, okay? So this is for all my students and जितने भी मेरे पुराने स्टूडेंट्स थे जो 7 जनवरी तक जुट के मेहनत करके अपना मेरे सारे वीडियोस देख रहे थे, पढ़ाई कर रहे थे, पीपीटी से एंड एवरीथिंग. So for all of them, I just hope and pray that all my students का exam clear हो गया हो. But in case, even if you think that you need to give one more attempt and there is some little more hard work that is required from your end, you all are most warmly welcome on this platform. And to all my new students as well as old students, let's kickstart with our preparation. Okay, so guys, we will be discussing strategies for the upcoming UGC NET English Literature 2025 exam. Let's go ahead with this. सबसे पहले अगर हम देखें, so understand the syllabus thoroughly. Whenever such kind of a thing comes, wherever आप एक national level का exam दे रहे हो, even a state level, any exam, even your school level exam, always remember सबसे पहले हमें क्या देखना है? What is our syllabus? हमें अपने syllabus को बहुत अच्छे से देखना है. यूनिट 1 से लेकर यूनिट 10 तक कौन से टेक्स्ट हैं, कौन से चैप्टर्स हैं, कौन से ऑथर्स के बारे में पूछा जा रहा है, what are the literary figures that are being focused. इन सब को देखना बहुत important है. Why? Because it is within this ambit that you are asked. Sometimes very very rare कि आपको out of the syllabus से question मिल जाता है. However, 99% everything falls under the bracket of your unit 10. The unit from unit 1 to unit 10, the entire syllabus, okay? So please download and study the official syllabus from the UGC NET website. It's all available. In fact, I have discussed this, all the entire syllabus in detail. I'll be discussing it again very soon. So divide the syllabus into key sections: literary ages, theories, criticism, Indian and world literature, and research methods. Well, मैंने इन टॉपिक्स को इसलिए emphasize किया है because 7 जनवरी का जो एग्जाम हुआ था उसमें मेरे स्टूडेंट से बात हुई है एंड व्हाट दे टोल्ड मी वाज दैट majorly the topics have been researched a lot. Many questions have been asked from research, a lot from literary theories, Indian writing in English. So basically इन पे इतना focus हुआ है. So we got to study them in that manner. So Indian and world literature and research methods. Focus on major authors, movements and texts from British, American, Indian and world literature. Highly important. Every aspect needs to be covered. So world literature में ऐसे ही we just cannot ignore it. It is a very crucial fundamental part of your syllabus as much as it is British literature or Indian literature. So even writers from you can say Australia, Canada, New Zealand, anywhere, Japanese writers writing in English, everything has to be focused and studied in good detail, okay? So moving ahead to our next one, if we see, create a study plan. Well, this is a strategy which we have always followed since ever. You need to create a study plan wherein 3 to 4 hours daily for study, dividing time between core topics, revision and mock test. Guys, see, this is very crucial. हर एक एग्जाम को अप्रोच करने के लिए हमें प्लान चाहिए. वी नीड टू हैव अ गाइड विद अस, राइट? वो गाइड हमें कैसे हम किस तरह से गाइड होना चाहते हैं, दैट इज अप टू अस कि हम हाउ मच वी गॉट इन्वेस्ट with our time, with our energy, how are we going to set a timetable. So yes, for any exam, discipline is important. For that discipline you need to have a timetable. For that timetable आपको अपना study plan निकालना पड़ेगा, right? So 3 to 4 hours daily for studying, dividing time between core topics, revision and mock test, right? Plan weekly or monthly targets for covering the entire syllabus. Use a timetable that includes, see, ये मैंने एक roughly बना दिया है that this is how you can allocate your time. It totally is up to you कि today is 8 January. अगर हम 8 January से शुरू करें and if we see then we have January, February, March, April, May. मई तक अगर हम लोग सिलेबस लेके चलें, हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू गो अहेड विद इट. एक तो मैं फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल माय एंटायर जो हमारा खुद का स्टडी IQ का सिलेबस प्लान आ रहा है, वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट द क्लासेस फ्रॉम 17th January. सो उसका तो आपको मैं बता दूंगी, एवरीथिंग विल बी इन्फॉर्म्ड सिस्टमैटिकली कि कैसे हम लोग अप्रोच करेंगे. बट फॉर योर ओन सेल्फ स्टडी व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू मेंशन इसके इन 4-5 महीने में पूरा का पूरा सिलेबस कैसे कवर करेंगे, वंस यू हैव अ गुड प्लान, गुड स्टडी प्लान इन योर माइंड. ओके, सो फॉर दिस वीक 1 से 4 से लेकर लिटरेरी एजेस पढ़ लीजिए, ओल्ड इंग्लिश टू पोस्ट मॉडर्निज्म. वीक 5 से लेकर 5-8 तक यू कैन स्टडी लिटरेरी थ्योरी, क्रिटिसिज्म, इंडियन लिटरेचर. And week 9 to week 10 revision and mock test. Okay, so this can be done. This is a little rough plan that I'm mentioning. It is totally up to you how you can make a plan, a study plan. But very crucial is, yes, you need to have some strategy in your mind, some plan in your head. All right. Okay, next question, next slide. Let's move ahead to that. Okay, so this is your okay, so when we talk about this, second, so build strong foundation in literary history. This is very important, that you got to have a very strong foundation of the entire literary history that you have from the Anglo-Saxon era to the present day. अपने दिमाग में एक पिक्चर बना के चलो, मतलब कि आपको एंग्लो सैक्सन के बारे में जब हम सोचते हैं, all of a sudden some figures come in our head, right? So in that you just make an entire story, weave a beautiful story wherein you are understanding every age by its theme, by its concerns, by whatever issues that they were addressing. So chronological knowledge is the key. You got to study it very chronologically. ऐसे क्या होगा, एक systematically आप चलते जाएंगे, है ना, कि उस राह पे आप चल दिए, and then मंजिल तो सामने नजर आएगी. Okay, so study important texts, authors and movements in a very timely based manner. Memorize the significant works, years of publication, notable awards, Booker Prize, Nobel Prize. This is taken for granted that आपको as literature students आना है. Not only for NET, even if you are in masters, even if you're graduation, you must know Booker Prize किसने जीता है in the last 10 years. I'm just telling you कि इतना knowledge होना चाहिए as a GK general knowledge, but you need to have in that ways also. Okay, then talking about this example, Shakespearean plays, romantic poetry, Victorian novels, modernist works, post-colonial writers, and so on. Okay, then you have recommended books. Okay, so recommend books, guys, everybody knows कि मैं M.H. Abrams, Routledge History of Literature को बहुत ज़्यादा focus करती हूँ हमेशा से. I've always been great fans of these books because they helped me to clear this exam. So Pramod K. Nair for literary theory, Hans Burtons is very good for literary theory. Cultural studies के लिए आपके Oxford University Press बहुत अच्छे books निकालते हैं. So I will be talking about, मैं एक अलग से video बनाऊंगी talking about all the important books, and I'll be discussing soon with that in detail with all of you. So okay, so then you also have another thing, and that is focus on literary theory and criticism. Of course, you are focusing on your just a second. Sorry, yeah. So of course you will be focusing on every aspect, and that is literary history, but great emphasis on literary theory. So guys, अभी जो हाल फिलहाल में एग्जाम हुआ है, कल ही जो एग्जाम हुआ 7 जनवरी को, 10 to 12 literary theories questions were asked. So that makes around 20 to 24 marks. That's huge. अगर उस 24 marks पे 20 marks पे आपकी पकड़ है, nobody can stop you from winning the game. That's the point. So yes, literary theory, criticism, very crucial. You cannot miss them at all. Prepare well for critical theory as it has significant weightage. Study concepts are Aristotle, of course, Plato, Dryden, Arnold, and when it comes to literary theory, we all know it starts from structuralism, in fact, your formalism, and it moves towards till date. Even today, we are talking about eco-criticism. And eco-criticism, that reminds me कि again 7 January को eco-criticism से बहुत question पूछा गया. Why? Because that is the topic that is always being talked about in this time, right? Ecology, eco-criticism, and your LGBTQ rights, all these things, all these theories which are right now being in such great discussion, so that are very crucial. Okay, सो यस अगेन जैसे मैंने बोला कि बिगनिंग पीटर बेरी इज़ अ गुड बुक, बट इससे बेहतर आई थिंक हांस बर्टन इज़ अ वेरी गुड बुक जिसे मैं पढ़ाती हूँ. प्रमोद के नैयर की बहुत अच्छी बुक्स आती है. इरफान हबीब writes some wonderful works. Okay, so apart from this, let's go ahead to our next one, and that is okay. So practice previous year's papers and mock tests. This goes without saying, guys, that there has to be great practice on your previous year's papers. Second. Practice greatly your previous year's papers and all your mock tests. Okay, see, this is my responsibility. PYQ mock test कैसे कराना है वो मैं पूरा डिटेल में कराऊंगी when the time comes. But remember guys for sure that you know PYQs अगर आपने लगा लिए 50% chances are, in fact 60% chances are that you'll get through the exam. It's so crucial. In fact अभी कल जो मैं स्टूडेंट से बात हो रही थी, they all were telling me, मैम अगर हम लोग ने 10-12 साल के भी PYQ लगाए थे ना, that gave us great idea. Why? Because कई questions repeat हो जाते हैं. So that's very important that previous year papers आप लगाइए, just not कि कोई question आ जाएगा, but to get a good idea कि कैसे हो रहा है. Okay, then you have just a second. Yeah. All right. So solve last 10 years papers to understand question patterns and frequently asked topics. Take full length mock test and analyze your performance in mock test to identify weak areas and improve upon them. Okay, so this can be a very good strategy wherein you are putting self improvement and you are just doing it in that manner. Then you have next one. Okay. So guys, strengthen research aptitude. एक मैंने especially research aptitude के ऊपर I have given a huge emphasis, and that is why because see research में से बहुत questions पूछे गए हैं, many questions, and the point is that UGC is not now looking only for students के जो net clear करे and then that's a stop. No. UGC is actually looking for students who are very interested in going ahead with research. This is the reason कि इतने सारे question research based होते हैं. So MLA format, Chicago style, you know, all these things are something that you must learn by heart, right? So all these things come into mind. That research methodology, question are crucial. MLA, APA, qualitative versus quantitative. You know, these are, I have put in the entire one slide talking just about research methodology, that yes, you need to have that in great in depth. So of course, there's entire unit and I will be going in great detail. जब आप PhD करते हो तो जो मेरा कोर्स वर्क हुआ था, द इंटायर 6 months वी जस्ट स्टडीड दिस कि कैसे रिसर्च करना है, किस तरह से करना है, बिकॉज दैट्स द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट सेगमेंट ऑफ योर रिसर्च, राइट? सो दैट कम्स इन टू importance. Then you have next one, and that is yes, use the right study material, guys. Rely on well structured and reliable study material. So why I'm saying talking about this is that you know that now that we have Wikipedia, we have Google, we have YouTube, we have plethora of information with us, plethora of material with us, but it is your responsibility to figure out what is the most crucial for you. Okay, so always go in for platforms that give you some authenticity, some legitimacy, that yes, they are well-known platforms और आप good reliable teachers जिन पे आप depend कर सकते हैं, ठीक है? So why? Because there's a lot of information that's circulating, but you must get the right information. So of course, always use good books, always use good publication houses books. अगर आप पढ़ना चाहते हैं तो just go in for those publication houses jinka there is a certain reputation of good content. Okay, and use the right study material. Of course, that's per se that you know whatever teachers that you are referring to, the guides that you're following, make sure that you are following the right path. Okay, so guys, on that note, I will end today's lecture. This was a sort of a sketch wherein we talked about the strategies of how to attempt your upcoming exams in the future. And so to all my students who are preparing their first attempt or the second attempt, or whoever have given their 7th January exam and who think that I can do better, so everyone is welcome. And the entire journey is about learning. More than anything, it is about gaining all the knowledge that you can. Remember one thing I will lastly say, that no word that you study, no word that you read or write ever goes to waste. Okay, so on that note, I'll see you all in the classes. Bye-bye.